Well, hello, it's Sunday the 19th, and I just thought I would show you what I did get accomplished today. I got the body painted. I'll sand it with 500, then probably hit it one more time just to make sure everything is perfect, but it seems to be pretty straight, just about straight as an arrow. Now, coming into here, I redid the headlights on this end, got the proper color red on it. I'll be doing the same with everything else. This is the radiator for the little Rio. And I'm very happy with that. I've been redoing it. As you can see, everything is getting set for both of the cars. It's just as easy to do two of them at a time. That because there's not always things happening at the same time for each car, so you get those extra bits of time to do a lot of extra stuff, so you don't waste too much time. Anyway, that was a lot of babble, wasn't it? Anyway, just wanted to show you what's going on. This is Sunday. Andreas will be back on Tuesday. And we're probably going to be working on getting this ready to install since it's all rebuilt and done. And let's see, what else? Oh yeah. Here is our power steering unit. All set up, and that'll be going on. And that's about it. So just to tell you, all of a sudden things go together very quickly, and you'll see what it looks like. And I think you'll be happy, because I sure in hell am. This coronavirus thing is a little dull, but I'm very fortunate that I have something that keeps me occupied. And I hope you do too. Everybody stay well. I still really don't know anyone personally that has had the coronavirus. And thank God for that. All my friends and acquaintances are doing well, and I'm very happy about that. So everybody stay well. God bless.